Going to another court case that we're following. The second Alex Jones defamation trial has now started. There's a great article on Reuters, which we are linking to. It's an explainer. What's at stake in Alex Jones' second Sandy Hook defamation trial? Now, we interviewed plaintiff's attorney Mark Bankston a few weeks ago, who already obtained a nearly $50 million judgment against Jones in the first defamation case, and now is representing plaintiffs in this second case as well. Very important items here about this case. This is the Connecticut case, as it's being called. It started this week. 13 family members of Sandy Hook victims, as well as one FBI agent, are seeking damages from Jones and Free Speech Systems for claiming they were so-called crisis actors lying about their relative's death as part of a gun-grabbing conspiracy by the United States. That's what that's Donald Trump. That's what Alex Jones claimed initially about Sandy Hook. That's what this is about, okay? Then we get to the next trial, which started yesterday. And in yesterday's trial, Alex Jones' new attorney did an impression of Alex Jones himself. Now, I am not a legal scholar. I am not a legal expert. I don't know that this early in the trial, doing an impression of your own client shows that you're heading in a good direction. Maybe later in the trial, the impressions are appropriate. Check out this wacky video.
You'll see a video of him erupting on air. So frustrated, he's beside himself. I killed the children. I killed them. I went into the school, bam, 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 shot each one of them. Yeah, that's right. When I go out on the street, people forget Adam Lanza was the killer. They think it's me. They made a scapegoat of Alex Jones.
The lawyer, in doing an impression of Jones, seems to be using that video where Alex Jones goes nuts to show how much of a victim Jones actually is here. Now, of course, what his lawyer was referencing was this completely insane interview that Jones gave Andrew Callahan a couple weeks ago. Remember this?
Do you feel responsible for what happened to the Sandy Hook families?
Yes, I killed the children.
But beyond that...
No, I mean, I went in that school, I pulled a gun out, and I shot every one of them myself. I mean, I'm guilty. It's true.
No, but I mean...
No, let's just... Do I feel responsible that someone that played shit video games on a bunch of drugs, went and killed a bunch of kids, and then the internet questioned it and I covered that? No, I don't feel responsible, and I don't apologize anymore. I'm done. Mm-hmm. I don't apologize I killed the kids.
Was there a definitive...
No, I killed them. I killed them.
All right. Anyway, so that's what was being referenced there. So the trial clearly not off to a good start. And then here's another moment from the first day of the trial. I believe this was the first day. Judge Barbara Bellis sanctions Jones because, yeah, he refused to participate in discovery. This was an issue in the first trial, and it was an issue in the second trial. And here is the judge saying, you're not participating in discovery.
I'll make the following observation. This stunningly cavalier attitude with respect to their discovery obligations is what led to the default in the first place. The defendants have consistently engaged in dilatory and obstructive discovery practices from the inception of these cases right through to the trial. And finally, I will note there is no notice in this file to this minute of any supplemental compliance producing the Google Analytic documents, which is required by the practice book, but was also required by my clear court order of September 30, 2021, which apparently was not followed here. So the motion is denied for these reasons, and the court hereby sanctions the defendants by precluding them from presenting evidence or argument that they did not profit from the Sandy Hook coverage.
There you go. Judge Barbara Bellis, not pleased with what is going on. So listen, in all likelihood, this will be another disaster for Alex Jones, but we're not going to prejudge it. It's just the most likely outcome. We're going to follow the case. One of our sponsors today is Blue Chew, a unique online service delivering the same active ingredients as Viagra and Cialis in a chewable form and at a fraction of the cost. And they're giving my audience an entire month's supply for free. So if you think you could benefit from an extra boost of confidence when it's time, All you have to do is take a short quiz on their website. A licensed doctor approves your prescription. The medication comes straight to your home within days in a discreet package. No driving around to the doctor's office or the pharmacy. No waiting around. No awkward conversations with your doctor. All of Blue Chew's tablets are made in the USA. The entire process is just a few clicks. Go to bluechew.com. The link is underneath this video. They'll give you an entire month's supply for free when you use the promo code PACMAN. All you have to do is pay $5 shipping.